Using QuickBooks for an auto repair shop streamlines financial management tasks such as invoicing, expense tracking, and payroll. Here's how to utilize QuickBooks effectively. Set up your chart of accounts. Customize your chart of accounts to reflect the specific income and expense categories relevant to your auto repair business. Include accounts for part sales, labor charges, overhead expenses, and more. Track income and expenses. Record income from services rendered, parts sold, and other sources using QuickBooks invoicing and sales receipt features. Track expenses such as parts purchases, rent, utilities, and employee wages to maintain accurate financial records. Manage inventory. Utilize QuickBooks inventory tracking tools to monitor stock levels, track purchases and sales of parts, and generate reports on inventory valuation and turnover. Run reports. Generate financial reports such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements to gain insights into your business's financial health and performance. Simplify payroll. Use QuickBooks Payroll to streamline payroll processing, including calculating wages, withholding taxes, and generating pay stubs for employees. Integrate with bank accounts. Connect your bank accounts and credit cards to QuickBooks to automatically import transactions, reconcile accounts, and ensure accurate financial records.